Hi, I'm Marcus Denetdale. I am a student and a staff member in the School of Sustainable Engineering and the Built Environment within the Ira A. Fulton Schools of Engineering here at ASU. I have served in the United States Air Force, and I continue to work in this capacity of community service by managing a program here at ASU called Construction in Indian Country. It's a tribal liaison group where we connect the construction industry to tribal nations in assisting construction projects. Recently, we were able to form a donation drive with business leaders, tribal liaisons, other nonprofit organizations throughout the valley to help the Navajo Nation, the Wallapai Nation, White Mountain Apache Nation with essential items to help fight the COVID-19 pandemic. We were able to form two drives. On our second drive, we held here at the Sun Devil Stadium parking lot, and we were able to fill two 27-foot long moving trucks and able to deliver care packages to elders, those with disabilities, most vulnerable single parent families throughout the Navajo Nation and the other tribal nations. Finding an area to offer or volunteer to do some sort of community service is very easy here. And all it takes is just one time to connect with the right person, maybe one event, whether that's working in a food bank or volunteering on Earth Day or one of the other community service related days throughout the year. One time is enough and you're hooked, and you'll continue to do it again. So I encourage you to just try it one time, an hour or two. Habitat for Humanity, Engineers Without Borders. Thank you for your service. Thank you for your contribution to your country and to this nation. And have a great and safe salute to service.